Oh, whoa. Oh my goodness, what time do they open? Damn, I thought they opened at 8. Oh no. Damn, man, guys. I don't see no cars out here. I wonder if they open. I thought they opened. Oh, I see somebody in there. Maybe just ain't nobody here. Woo, thank goodness, because I gotta handle this. Man, look at that car riding around with no damn. He must be here for a windshield. Damn, that's crazy. All right, I think they open. Yeah, it looks like he about to walk in. No, he not. Oh no, what time they open? They must open at 8:30. All right, let me go find out what's going on. All right, so Buddy went in, so they must be open. Just ain't nobody here. See, there's a lot empty. All right, pull apart. I got a Patriot. I need a computer on. So this is my last stop. I got a side job I gotta fix, guys. So let me get on the computer and find out these locations. All right, so I need a Jeep Patriot 2014. Patriot and Compass is the same thing. So let me print this 24. Oh, look at all these 2014s. Hell yeah. If I don't get lucky now, something ain't right. Print. Now let me do the Jeep. Let me do the Jeep Compass. Alright, let's go back. How do you go back? Back. What was that, the Patriots? What did I just do? Yeah, we're gonna do the Compass this time. Same car, guys. How many 2014 models? Hey, I hope these not the same freaking car. But anyway, we about to find out, because I might get lucky. Yes, computer, guys. I can, you can get a used computer for your car if you need one. All right, I'm on the yard, guys. Look at all these Dodge Jeep set to go out. Yeah, this is going in the Dodge section. I'm at the Dodge section, but I guess they're gonna forklift these up. Man, these cars look like they can go for sale. Look at the Durango. I got one of them. Huh. All right. JT, stay focused. All right, guys, let me find a 2014 Patriot. Let's get it. All right. 2014. Look at that, guys. Jeep Patriot. What do you know? Ta-da! When was it dropped? So it showed up a week ago. So it should be plenty of parts on this mug. All I need is the ta-da! That's it. Yes! Look, I wish I needed a tip-em. I grabbed this tip-em too. Alrighty, first shot. We got lucky. Now, I hope this ain't been out here in the rain. I don't need no tip-em. This is what I need, guys. Look, there go another one. They're all over the place. That's a Compass. Same engine, yeah. Same car. They all the Compass and the Patriot is the same car, same PCM. So what I should do to get the PCM that has the least amount of freaking water on it. This is 13, so it may be different. I got the part number, so all I got to do is take the computer off and flip it over. But yeah, for now, let me grab this before anybody else do. Yes, I got lucky. Now I will be able to fix my customer's car. She have a problem with her O2 sensor. I don't know if y'all ever ran into this O2 sensor heater circuit. Yes, guys, you know, everybody and their mama put O2 sensors on them first because that's the easiest thing to check. And I'm not against that. In fact, I would try O2 sensor as well. Well, they did that. I only get the call when they, you know, out of options. They don't know what else to do. So, yes, I got the call. Now, it's time to make the move. Let me find me a damn 10 millimeter. Yeah. Got my damn Milwaukee right here. All right, guys, y'all hold tight. Let me get this off. And ta-da! That's it. That's the part number I need. Now, how much would this thing? I see brown on these pins. There's some more of these PCM out here. I'm gonna grab another one and see. I don't know about that. That could be the start of something. Because there's multiple out here. Let me check another one, guys. But I'm gonna take this with me, just in case there's not another one. But we're gonna keep right along trucking. Y'all hold tight. All right, so here's another one. Dude, this been out here over a month. Chances of it being stripped down are greater. All right. Yes, and look, no computer, no PCM or no TIPM. Yeah, cause somebody robbed this sucker. All right, I'm gonna check one more. If not, we're gonna go with what we got, guys. Let's go down this way. There's a compass. I wonder if it's a 2014 model. Cause remember, now this gotta be a new one. I don't even see the computer up there. Damn, what is this? That's got a dual overhead cam. What the hell is this? This is a compass. Okay, so they all not. Yeah, there's no PCM on top of this. Anyway, where's the Patriot? I'm gonna check one last Patriot, and then I'm gonna get up out of here. This it? Jeep Patriot? This is 2014 Patriot? Nope, this is an 07. That's too old. That bus network would not work. Uh-oh, I see one right here, guys. Ooh, no, is this the other one? Ooh, this one got cooked. Ooh. They just let it burn for a while. Make sure the insurance money kick in. All right, I don't want to know what happened, but here's a Patriot. Oh, this is another one that's, this can't be a 2014 then. Oh, it is. So they not all the same. Or at least the PCM location is not all the same. Yeah, where's the PCM? Unless somebody took it off, took the hole down. I don't know. Ain't no tip on that. All right, so it looks like we're gonna go with the one I got. All right, what is this? Yeah, looks like. That's why I just went ahead on and grabbed it, guys, because you just never know out here. It's a Liberty. All right, y'all hold tight. All right, so here's the last one, 2014 Patriot. Uh-oh, let me see something. Oh, back in July, I bet this thing ain't got nothing in it. And you're right, they don't. So we forced to go with what we got, guys. All right, let's go off and pay for this and get the hell up out of here. Whoa, what happened here? I see 4-cylinder on this side, which makes this a V8. Somebody stripped this Hemi down. Took the transmission and the heads. They didn't want the MDS on neon. 69 Dartman. Here you go. You need some parts off of this? 69 freaking Dartman used to have a neon. Is this your old neon? Man, I used to kill these things, boy. Everything about them. I used to love these neons. You don't see them on the road no more. Neon days are over, baby. All right, I can't play around out here. Is anything? Normally I grab little silly stuff like, you know, AC caps. But somebody beat me to all of these. Just grab it, okay? Because you just never know. Was this a Pentastar? Oh no, somebody stripped out a Pentastar. Let me guess. It was ticking. And y'all didn't know how to. Y'all let the whole car go. That look like a new head. One of these oil gallery plugs loose. No, they tight. So somebody put a new head on there and it's still. Pentastar gets such a bad rap. But I love them. Guys, I'm done. Let's go back up here and pay for that. Oh, here go another Patriot. Uh-oh, wait a minute. What year is this one? This is 2013. Yeah, so this one worked. Different part number. Although the PCM is here, that's not the right part number for what I need. All right. What we got here? All right, now let's go, guys. Yeah, so I got what I need. Hey, we're in a Buick section. All right, look at that long line of Buick. Buick must have been a junky car brand. Imagine that. Whoa, whoa. What the hell? What is this? Damn, what happened here? Was this a car accident? Damn. Oh, maybe they... Damn. I never seen a car this open. Hey, forgot something. Transmission still in here. Yeah, I think this was manufactured, guys. I don't think this is from like a car crash. Man, I think it got wrecked, but yeah, okay. All right. This is what they do, man. This is a money-making business. Mad respect to the guy that thought of this. All right, yes, old cars are junk, but there's some value to what's attached to them, okay? Yeah, not everybody got money for new cars. So when a car is wrecked, damaged, or anything like that, there's a place it can go to generate even more revenue stream for some companies. There comes the invention of a place called Pull Apart. Yeah, now they so big, they got 3 locations in Atlanta. East, South, and North. Wonder where West Pull Apart gonna come from. Yeah, it looked like that thing was in a wreck. Body damage can cause a car to be total, which means it's not worth fixing. So companies will usually just salvage and scrap the parts off of it and make money. Yeah, lucrative business, man. Like I say, man, respect to the guys that look, they even sell cars. Look at that Dodge Journey over there. That was over there last time I came here. They must be asking for too much. Even if it work, like some people send their car to Pull Apart even if it's working and they just don't want it no more. Now don't get it wrong. Most under 250. Yeah, I wouldn't pay $2,500 for. Don't get me wrong. They give you good $300-400. Just say you got a small problem and Pull Apart, get it fixed. Yeah. Well, anyway, let's go find out how much they're gonna charge me for this damn thing. Cause I gotta pass the charges back down to her. That's how we do it. All right, here we go.
It comes with 30 days, but you can opt in to get a 4-month warranty for $5 extra. It's
Really?
$54.88.
For $5 extra?
The $5 extra, you can get a warranty on it through like December the 29th or something.
What if it failed?
Yeah, you can bring it back all the way through. But if you opt out of it, you only get 30 days. So 30 days from today, if it was to go out, you just stuck with it.
All right, let me get the 5 months.
Alright, it is $61.20 and it doesn't have a $7 core on it. You bring the old one back,
Yeah,
you get $7 back. Do you have a membership?
Yes. Yes, you
There you go, baby.
do. The warranty on here?
Mm-hmm. And it's under your membership too. So.
Oh, okay, cool. You can't keep old paper. Alright, guys, I'm done here. Y'all heard that. I went ahead and added the little 5 months warranty on for $5. Alright, so if something happened, I'm just gonna bring shit back. But when I get ready to bring the car in and fix it, we'll talk some more about it. Alright, remember I'm working on a 14 Patriot with a check engine light on for heater circuit. Alright, they done already put O2 sensors on it. I think that's the one she called me back, or called me about, cause her mechanic put the O2 sensors on, and of course that didn't fix it. So my thing was try a OEM Mopar O2 sensors. O2 sensors and ignition systems like cam and crank should be OEM. But it doesn't matter what, you can put a sensor on it made of gold. If the damn circuit is, the heater circuit is compromised, then it's not gonna work. What I mean by, what in this case, guys, it's just an open circuit. Or not an open circuit, it's a driver problem. The drivers inside the PCM is not operating that system, that circuit the way it's supposed to. So now the mechanic, I didn't get to film my diagnostic. All you do is load test from point A to point B. From the computer, the wires goes to the O2 sensor. You load test from that point to the O2 sensor point, and you can tell if the circuit is compromised or intact. If the circuit is intact, you got a driver problem with the PCM. Hence, you need a PCM. All right, so we'll talk some more when I get ready to work on the car. Alrighty, guys, here's the Patriot I'm working on. Now, here's the old computer. You can't really look at it and tell it's bad. So here's my My new pull-apart computer. Yeah, they still got their little label on it. Like I say, O2 sensor heater failure. Y'all see that O2 sensor? Brand new. Mopar, upstream and downstream. Yeah, they went ahead and did both of them. So what I did is make sure my wiring from the O2 sensor to the PCM was intact. Passed the load test and everything. I didn't get to show that on video, but yeah, I got to wrap this up right now. So let me take this old computer off. Set all this off. Now the thing about this, guys, this code was active. As soon as you start it up, the check engine light would generate, bing, no matter how many times you erase it. So it's real simple. When I start this one up, I have to check engine light. At first, I got to program this thing. I got to marry this to the car. It's not that simple, guys. I need to have the customer go and get the skim code, the secret security code from a dealership. And I need that code in order to program into this module so it will work with the alarm system. 2014 models, they all standard equipped with factory alarm. That has to be programmed, not programmed. In other words, I need to marry this PCM to this car. It's not plug and play. You don't just swap and fire up and go. Yeah, so let me get that information and I'll be right back. We'll get ready to fire this thing up.